Okay, hello everybody. Just picked up a new trailer, a Cougar Sport 2100 RK, and it came with this Rota-Flex style pin box. I use an Andersen hitch, and with the Rota-Flex pin box you are supposed to install a lockout kit on the Rota-Flex. This one's a little bit different than what I've seen on other videos. That there is apparently like a rubber pad in here. On other videos, the rubber pad on a lot of the other hitches I've seen is actually exposed. You can see the rubber pad in here, but this is actually encased in a metal box. So when I picked the trailer up at the dealer, I let them know that, okay, I've got an Andersen hitch. I've read that I need this lockout kit, and they had one in stock. So I put one on. Not as easy as I thought it would be. Mine has a wider bracket on one inside. This bracket is narrower. This is the extended kit. I wasn't sure which side the wide one versus the narrow one went on, but I kind of assumed that because the Andersen hitch on mine is sticking out more, that the wider one would help prevent it from coming up, because it's most likely going to flex more this way. If I ever need to switch this around to make more room in my truck bed for the back of the pin box, then I would probably rotate these around. One thing that's kind of tough, and it's hard to see probably in the video, but inside here on both sides there's like they've welded an angle little bracket inside. It was very difficult to get these bolts. I really couldn't get the bolt to come through this way with the nut on the end, so I had to put the bolts through here. And because of those little angle brackets that are inside, it was a very tight fit. I had to have my wife come and help me kind of compress the thing together on both sides so we could get this bolt through the hole to get the nuts on. They're a little long. I might trim those up with a hacksaw. They are kind of digging in. I was kind of under the gun to get, I didn't want the dealership was going to charge a lot of money to put my old Andersen hitch on, so I just did it myself. So that's kind of a pain. So I don't know if Andersen's aware that's, it's a little bit kind of a tough fit with this particular brand. This is this came with the Cougar made by Keystone, the Road Armor by Lippert. But as far as I can tell, they must license the Rota-Flex type of setup. But once it's on there pretty good. There were no instructions that came with the kit, so no indication from Andersen which, if it's the wide one or the narrow one goes on what side. But I assumed I could have called them, but I had to get it on so I could get it home before dark. Anyways, just in case you're looking at this style of hitch and you've got an Andersen, apparently you need this lockout kit. Got my cable routed across the top, screwed into the pin box. So other than that, works pretty good. But yeah, just for those of you looking into the lockout kit for Rota-Flex, that's it. And this is my Fort Knox lock. Does a pretty good job. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.